Welcome everybody! If you're one of those folks working on shedding belly fat or targeting other stubborn areas, you definitely want to give these breakfast ideas a try. Not only are they delicious, but they're also some of the healthiest breakfast options you can treat yourself to. Packed with a plethora of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients, they'll help enhance your skin's appearance, normalize metabolism, and strengthen your entire body. What's more, they'll help flush out harmful toxins and give your colon a thorough cleanse, alleviating issues like constipation and the notorious lazy bowel syndrome. But perhaps the most significant benefit of these breakfasts is their potential to kickstart your fat-burning journey and help you achieve a healthier body weight. On average, you could expect to shed about 2 to 3 kilograms per month, particularly around the belly area. And let's not forget the additional perks: improved skin, hair, and nails, all of which will radiate health and beauty. For this breakfast, here's what you'll need. 5 to 7 dried prunes. 1 cup of kefir, or plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. 2 tablespoons of oat flakes. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Now, let's get to the preparation. 1. Start the night before. Place the prunes in a bowl or glass and pour boiling water over them. 2. Cover the bowl with a lid and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Meanwhile, take another bowl and add in the cocoa powder, flax seeds, and oat flakes. 4. Pour kefir, or yogurt, over them and mix everything thoroughly. 5. Take the bowl with the soaked prunes, discard the water, and blend the prunes in a blender until you get a puree. 6. Then, add the prune puree to the other ingredients, mix everything again, and store it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, take the bowl out of the fridge and savor your super healthy breakfast. It won't take long before you start feeling the positive effects on your health and physique. You might experience a slightly unusual sensation in your stomach on the first day, but that'll soon pass, and your digestive system will start operating like clockwork. Enjoy!